Okay, we're going to talk about long division. We're still going to use 3 by 1. So, go ahead. What's our one digit going to be?
Our one digit's going to be 7.
7. I'm going to turn the board this way though. Okay, and then what is our 3 digit going to be, Thor?
453.
So we're going to take 453 divided by 7.
So I'm going to start off.
And we're going to use the stamp game to do it, but we're also going to write, because what's the most important part of this?
To show your work.
To show your work. It's not to lay it out using the materials, although that's what's going to help you. But the most important part is to show your work. So I'm going to move this over. And here's our stamp game. So I'm going to need 7, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then I'm going to need 100, 200, 300, 400, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. And then 1, 2, 3. So this is 453 divided by 7. I'll just set that aside. What's my first step going to be?
Trading in the hundreds.
Okay, so I can't share the hundreds evenly. If I try to spread them out, only four of the pieces can get 100. And that's not going to work, because with division, everything has to be shared. So, as you're getting started, to help you remember to show your work, I'm actually in my, because this is my hundreds, this is my tens, and this is my units, right? If I had little lines going down. So, I can write right here. Am I going to give them any hundreds?
No. So you're going to put 0.
0. And I can even put right here, I'm not using any 100s. So now I'm going to exchange those. How many am I exchanging it for?
40.
40. Plus, how many did I have here?
50.
So how many tiles?
5.
So how many of the 10 tiles am I going to have total?
40. 45. 40.
Yeah, and watch. Here's the 4, because I used 0. Then I'm going to bring down my 10s. Here's the 5. So I'm going to have 45 tiles, right? Okay.
One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
Okay, he's going to count them out. Nope, put them in groups of 10, just like the hundreds. And when you have a group of 10, you pass them so that he can start sharing them. You start sharing them with the groups. And let's lay them nicely so that we can see the numbers. So that's 100 exchanged. Now we have 200 have been exchanged. Now we have 300. And so now we have 400? Okay. So for a total of 45 10 tiles. And now what are we doing with those?
Setting them out.
We're dividing them between our 7.
Okay, I'm gonna start talking.
How many do you think they're gonna get? Make an estimate.
Each of them are going to get
We had 45 of them. They have to be split between our 7 markers. How many do you think they're each gonna get?
8.
You think they're each gonna get 8? How many do you think they're each gonna get?
7. They're gonna get 8. Oh, it should be running in there.
I don't know where my
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Or there's 6, 3, 6,
How many did each get?
6.
Okay, so we can go ahead and mark on our board. They each got 6 10s, right? We had 45 tiles. How many tiles did we use?
We used 42 of them.
And now I'm going to subtract those 42 from the 45.
It's 3. We need 31.
So I have 3 left. What do I need to do with those 3 10 tiles?